Clone's Army's elite 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment. The MH-6 Little Bird is primarily used to insert Special Operations forces onto rooftops or on narrow roadways. Based on the Hughes McDonnell Douglas MD369, the MH-6 Little Bird and its attack variant A-6 carries 3 commandos on benched seats mounted to the side doors of the helicopter Stinger crew, 2 capacity, up to 6 passengers, maximum speed, 152 knots, range, 232 nm. The Little Bird was originally designed as a scout helicopter for Army armored units, but since the early 1980s it has been used almost exclusively by the Special Operations community. It has an unrefold range of 250 nautical miles. The A-6 Little Bird gun, a light attack helicopter, has been tested and proven in combat. Armed with guns, Hellfire missiles, and 2.75-inch FAR, it provides armed helicopter support to both ground and air special operations. The unrefold range of the A-6 is 250 nautical miles. These versions were all powered by a single Allison T-63,252 shp engine. Later based on the successful Boeing McDonnell Douglas MD-500/MD-530 series helicopters. The latest versions of these aircraft, the A-6J attack helicopter and MH-6JXJ insertion and extraction transport, based on the MD-530F, feature a more powerful engine and improved avionics, including an embedded GPS/inertial navigation system and forward-looking infrared FLIR. The A-6J can be armed with guns, 1x 30mm M230 chain gun, or 2x .50 cal GAU-19, or 2x 7.62mm M134 minigun, 2x LAU-68D/ rocket pods, Hydra 70 rockets, 2x AGM-114 Hellfire, 2x FEAM 9227 Tub 2.75-inch rocket launchers, and 2 7.62mm M134 miniguns. The Little Bird can also be armed with .50 cal machine guns, Mk 1940mm grenade machine gun, Hellfire missiles, and air-to-air Stinger (OTIS) missiles. The MH-6 Little Bird made its way into popular culture with the book and movie Black Hawk Down, which portrayed MH-6 Little Birds carrying Delta Force soldiers into the overrun city of Mogadishu. The Little Birds, along with MH-60 Black Hawks from the 160th SOAR, held off attackers and supported Rangers and Delta operators when their raid was ambushed by insurgents.